We will know in today's tutorial how to hide the contact info on Facebook. Our contact info is visible to the Facebook, so in order to hide them, we will know in this video step by step. So you watch this video till the end, you will know how to hide the contact info. Now let's get started to show you the setting, the few setting. As you can see here, this is my mobile phone. I'm going to search the Facebook here. You can see here Facebook apps. I'm gonna open the Facebook. Now you can see top right hand side 3 line. Press on that, your profile. So now you scroll down, edit public info, press on here, and now scroll down, edit your about info, tap on this. So after tapping this, you will see contact info. You can see here pencil icon, press on that. Now your phone number will appear. I plot my phone number here. Press on this lock. Now here you will see 3 options: public, friends, only me. I have selected only me, not to show my contact info on Facebook. So you also press this, select this only me, the third option. Friends, I don't want to show on friend. I only want to keep this mobile number only me. So I have selected only me, and your mobile number will appear here. So guys, I hope you know this thing. So please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.